Hey, when my album drop, motherfuckers, man, it get crazy as hell. Hey, man, you know how it be. You don't make no time. So what you told when you say they got how they surfboard bring don't make you surfboard.
Thug life ain't dead, niggas just scared, and that's how I feel. I'm on the corner till the morning trying to pay the bills. Kicked out my mama house cause she smell a nigga aroma. Cheap cologne, 2 phones, and a bomb of marijuana. Just a young hustler trying to come up in the world. Cause all the dope boys drive the cars and get the girls. Oh, he a gangster and a shooter, but back in the day, I jumped out the Buick with the Ruger, made him jump the gate, but it's okay. Cause now I'm on the rap scene, chasing hella green. I hope my album sell low, it's back to selling green. I hope that they ain't selling dreams and I can really get a mention. Hope I sell out arenas and spend my nights in the Hampton. Hope I ain't gotta dye my hair green.